Step inside a home where old-world charm meets bold, modern flair, where rich colors, dramatic textures, and curated details transform every room into a statement of timeless elegance and contemporary comfort. Kedigian's design for the Turtle Bay Townhome, formerly the residence of Hollywood icon Katharine Hepburn, is a striking example of how historical charm can be seamlessly blended with bold, contemporary flair. The renovation honors the home's storied past while reimagining it through a lens of vibrant, sophisticated design, making it both timeless and current. At the heart of the home's transformation is a masterful use of color and texture. The kitchen exemplifies this, featuring a warm blue backdrop accented by vibrant red details. A custom-built banquette not only enhances functionality, but also adds a stylish architectural element. Personal touches, such as framed sketches, possibly by Hepburn herself, contribute to the intimate, storied atmosphere of the space. The bold palette continues in the Grand Salon, where marigold velvet banquettes infuse the room with a sense of opulence and energy. The formal dining room is a study in elegance, featuring a dramatic Venetian mirror, herringbone fabric upholstery, and a stately fireplace flanked by antique bookcases. Large windows are expertly used throughout the home to frame views of the lush, shared garden, visually extending the interior into the outdoors and reinforcing a connection with nature. This blurring of indoor and outdoor space adds an airiness and tranquility to the home, making it feel both expansive and serene. In the primary bedroom, Kedigian creates a luxurious yet intimate retreat. Antique bookcases continue the theme of classic elegance, complementing the fireplace and anchoring the room with historical depth. Every corner of the townhome reflects thoughtful attention to detail. Unique architectural features, like a built-in vanity reminiscent of old Hollywood glamour, add quirky charm and personal resonance. The decor strikes a balance between curated sophistication and lived-in warmth, with classic furnishings, bespoke upholstery, and daring color combinations that together create a layered, dramatic aesthetic. A cozy sitting area includes a custom desk niche boldly painted in pumpkin, a daring yet refined choice that underscores the designer's fearless use of color.